Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to create a 3D cuboid in PowerPoint. Whether you are looking to enhance your presentation with 3D format or just you want to explore the PowerPoint capabilities, this tutorial is perfect for you. Let us get started. First we have to go to new slide. In new slide we have to choose the blank one. In after choosing the blank one, we have to check which shape we want here. Suppose if you are looking the first we are taking this one rectangle only, and after that if you are taking another shape, let us take if you are taking the circle. So this is circle, we have circle, we have next. After we have to click the right button on the rectangle shape here. The right button we have to choose here the format shape, size position. So we have to choose here size position. In the size position we have the three options are there. First one fill and line, next one effects, and third one size and properties. We have to go to the effect one. After going to effect one, we have the six options we have to choose the 3D rotation. The 3 rotation, if we are looking any shape, then we can select according to our wish and according to our requirement. So first we have to choose, suppose if we are choosing this one, and after that we have to go to the 3D format. In the 3D format we have different options we have here. In the option first we have to go to the depth. In the depth, if you want to make like 50 here, so some shapes has been changed for the particular one. Similarly, if you want to change the shape of this one, we can do the same thing with the circle also. Suppose if you are choosing this one, and again we have to go to 3D format. We have to choose the depth. In the depth we have to keep the depth according to our wish. Suppose if we are keeping the 50 here also. So we have done with this part. After that we have to go to the effects. In the effects we have to go to the 3D format. In the 3D format we have to go to the lightning. This one lightning. In the lightning we have to choose the neutral and balance. In the neutral we have the three point, and the balance we have to choose the balance. After choosing the balance, again we have to come to this fill and line here. In the fill and line, if you want, if and we have to make the single color of this cuboid. So what we have to do, we have to go to the color. In the color we have to choose any color. So we have chosen this color. Again below the line, again color we have. If we are taking the same here, so this is the perfect uh, things whenever we want to keep for our research paper. And suppose if you want to write here, then we have to go to the text box. In the text box, if you want to write the suppose uh, LSTM, in the LSTM, and if you this is the calibri font here. Suppose if you want to make this font the Times New Roman, so Times New Roman. If you want to make it bold, we can make it bold, and we can choose the font size. If you're taking 12 here, and we have to paste here. So this is the way that we can do. Similarly for this shape, we have to go to the we have to follow the similar steps. So first there we have to go there, and then lightning, then we have to go to the balance one. After that balance one we have to choose the effects. In the effects again we have to choose the color. if we are choosing any color, suppose if you are taking this pink, so the first front color have been changed. Next again we have to go here, again we have to choose this one. So according to our requirement we can choose the color and we can make it the different uh, diagram. Thank you.